Hi everyone, welcome back to my another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a passport size picture in Adobe Photoshop. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, let's subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. So let's get started and open the Adobe Photoshop and open the image. So the first step is I would like to erase the background from this picture. So go to the eraser tool, right click on the eraser tool, and there are many ways to erase the background from the picture, but I would like to use this background eraser tool and hold Alt in your keyboard and click on the background color and erase this background like so. So the background has removed right now. So right now go to the crop tool and crop the picture like this and hit enter in your keyboard. After that I would like to bring the code to this picture and go to the open and bring the code, and if you do not have this code like so, you can download it from your Google. I have downloaded this from the Google. So right now click on the move tool and bring it to this picture like so. A little bit zoom out and drag this corner and exit like this. So it's looking good. And right now select these boot layers and hold control plus E on your keyboard to group it. So it's looking good right now. But right now this picture behind has no background. I would like to make a background, and just come here and create a new shape like so. I'll bring it to the bottom and go to this color, the paint color, and choose the color here, which one you want. If you would like to blue color background, you can also use a blue color background. If you would like to use a white background, I would like to use the white background behind the picture. So it's looking good. And right now click the picture and go to the rubber tool and this eraser tool and zoom it and clean the background immediately. This area has left. Now you see this little bit darkness, and I would like to remove it too. And select this tool and cut it from here. So select the rubber now. It's looking good. Right now this I would like to go to the liquify and drag image a little bit to make it perfect. So reduce the size of the rubber. okay. It's not looking good. Right now select these both layers and hit Ctrl plus E on your keyboard at the same time. Right now create the passport image size, hold Ctrl plus N in your keyboard and create a custom page like so, and the pixels change to the centimeters and click here and remove this, the width size with 3.4 and the height 4.5 and the resolution almost how much you want, but I will give you the almost 300. It's good. Now the passport size picture has created. Frame and bring this image here and make it small a bit. Bring it to the center like this. It's looking good, and group this by Ctrl plus E in your keyboard. So right now create a photo paper size by Ctrl plus N in your keyboard and go to the photo and click on the landscape 4:6. Click on it and create it here. So right now go to the image and bring this image here. It is a perfect size. Right now click on add, right click and go to the blending option and bring here the give it the stroke almost to size is perfect. Click OK and hold Alt press Ctrl in your keyboard and drag it like this. And right now copy these both layers and hit Ctrl plus E in your keyboard and drag it, copy it again like that. Now copy them again and bring it down. It's look perfect. Right now select these both again and hold Ctrl plus E in your keyboard to group this and bring it to the center. But if you would like to print on a full page, so you can also create that. Hold Ctrl plus N on your keyboard and go to print and click on the A4 page and bring this picture to A4 like this. Copy them like before by Ctrl plus Alt, and the shortcut is the copy shortcut in your keyboard. Group them. The shortcut is Ctrl plus J and bring it here. Okay, it's looking good. And copy these 3 layers and make it group and copy it again and bring it like this. Right now crop this good and erase this. Hold Ctrl plus D to deselect, group it and bring it to the center. Now